Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen with the Getting You Home team at LePage Signature, and we are here again on beautiful Grindstone Court in the heart of Sawmill Valley, Mississauga. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is located on a beautiful family-friendly court close to the Credit Valley Hospital, University of Toronto, Mississauga, 2 exceptional elementary schools, and all major commuting routes. Come on in, take a look, see what we have to offer today. Nestled amongst the beautiful and vast Sawmill Valley trails, this family home is located on a quiet court. The brightly spacious foyer greets you with a double closet and ceramic tiles. The main floor features a great room with hardwood flooring, stonework over the fireplace, and a walkout to the private and quiet rear garden. The heart of the home is in the kitchen, and this renovated space invites you to create memories. Stone countertops, solid wood cabinetry, and open concept into the family room creates a warm and inviting space for everyday living and entertainment. The oversized master bedroom has been updated and reimagined to add a full ensuite, double closet, and space for a workstation. Rounding out the second floor are 2 generous-sized bedrooms with large closets and a fully renovated bathroom. Fully finished multi-purpose basement features laminate flooring and a custom bar area for entertaining or for the kids to play. Easily add workspace for a home office or school pod for home learning. The private backyard abuts green space and the Sawmill Valley trails. Find out why Sawmill Valley is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Mississauga, with 2 exceptional schools, countless trails, beautiful creeks, rivers, and waterfalls. You'll want to make it home. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.